Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download VMware and install Kali Linux image on the VMware. Simply type VMware on the Google and you'll be linked to the official site of VMware. We are looking for Workstation player for this tutorial. Go on the Workstation player and download now. Download the latest version for 64-bit because many of the PCs now are 64-bit. This is the one you have to download it. After you download, you need an image that works for VMware. Now go on kali.org, press download Kali Linux. You can do the ISO image as well, but we are not looking for that one in this particular tutorial. We'll be looking for Kali Linux 64-bit VMware. Press on the offensive security VM download page. Just download whatever you need, 64-bit or 32-bit. I have downloaded 64-bit for my tutorial. I've already downloaded the file. After you are done with the download, simply navigate to the file you have downloaded and extract the file. After you get extracted with the file, you'll see list of many images. We are looking for the virtual machine configuration file, this one. All right, these are all the multiple files of the same images. You can copy this one as well and do it on another PC as well. All right, simply open this file and you will see the VMware loading. Press on Kali Linux. If you want to do full screen, you can do this as well. Wait for it. Wait for it to load. The login credentials is Kali, username Kali, and the password Kali is the default one. Press enter, and yeah, you're done with the setup of Kali Linux on VMware. And you can use terminal. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Well, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.